What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com. And while I got the Mission 1 Pro out, I wanted to see this real quick because I recently purchased, well, a few months ago now, this Ceramic Air SE. Ceramic Air SE, right? Which is a USB-C microphone. So my problem with GoPro, my big problem with GoPro was for a long time, you could not use USB-C microphones. So now I'm gonna plug this in here. No, it does not fit. What about this grip? Does this grip have a USB-C? Oh, if you have the grip on, you can't use a USB-C also. Oh, this sucks. This is too short. That is no good. Crap. But the microphone that I'm using right now, the Ceramic Air, regular Air, that one's a little longer because it comes with this case here. So, wrong side. It comes with this case here. I think this is a little bit longer. And so I can always stick it in through the bottom, and where this little bump is, right here. That's where the receiver would go. But this here, that sucks. That really sucks. Let me see something here. Do I have, I don't think I have it down here. I have like a USB extension somewhere. Oh man, that sucks. My main goal was to walk light. Well, I still have my Ceramic lavalier mic I can always use. But no. Oh well. So if you have the Mission 1, yeah, Ceramic Air, it's a no-go. I wish I could find this extension. Dang it, GoPro, dang it. See, you need a, can't stick it sideways, can't put it that way. It just no go, it just no go. And there's no USB port on this thing. Oh, so even if you have this cage on, it's gonna block the USB-C anyway. So I throw this in here. Oh, it snaps in? Sound like it snapped in. I put it in here. Okay. Yeah, so even if I did that, there's no pass-through power. There's no way to pass through the power. Let's see, but I press this. Oh, does it have to be on picture mode? Is this working right? Not really pushing down the button. See if I push it down. Oh, Might even focus. If I push it down from here, it's not taking the picture. But if I push it down in the middle, it's taking the picture. So this video is more of a things that I don't like about the Mission 1 so far. Check out dashboards. Yeah. Yeah, it's not. I gotta hold down like here. Over here. I figured it got the tab right here. Like it's rigid right here. But it's not letting you take the pictures if you hold it down. I still gotta hold down here. So oops. Keep going out the frame, sorry. If I push here, nothing. If I push here. Okay. So that's two things I don't like about it. Doesn't fit my USB-C for my Saramonic. And I was kind of looking at the video and was like, it's not gonna fit. I was hoping it would fit, cause say like if, well, not this GoPro. Will it fit into old GoPros? No, it won't even fit into old GoPros anyway. But it fits in my Action 4, and it definitely fits in the Action 2. And this keeps taking focus. Let me knock that down. He definitely fits in my Action 2. It fits in the Action 4. That's a bummer. Alright, so I guess I will be using the Saramonic Air and not the Saramonic Air SE whenever I use this. And these are not Bluetooth capable microphones. So now the next problem is if I have this cage where I can't even take a picture with easily. Click, 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 no click, no click, no click. I can't even take a picture with it easily. And there's no pass-through power. So that sucks. Okay, well, that's all for now. Brooklyn Sleep.
Call me Brooklyn Jimmy, lens on the city, got the drone up high, the footage stay gritty, I paint the boroughs.